Hello everyone, I am Lokesh and welcome back to the channel. So friends, this video is related to biggest off-campus hiring and how you can prepare for 20 plus top MNCs, and there are so many MNCs like Intuit, JustPay, Walmart, Tata ClassEdge, and there are so many MNCs that they hire freshers batch, graduates batch, 22-23 batch, pattern, syllabus. We discuss in today's video that how you can prepare for the pattern and syllabus because there is a common exam from all top MNC, and how you can crack the this biggest off campus hiring placement. So let's start the video. Okay, so on the D2C recruitables platform, as you can see that there is a program that is called the D2C recruitables. In this there are so many MNCs like Intuit, Myntra, JustPay, Walmart and many more. Registration deadline is 17th September. Only 9 days are left for the registration. Okay, and as you can see that 63,000 candidates are registered for this opportunity, and there are participating company like Intuit, Walmart, Myntra and so many MNC. As we discussed in previous video that what are the some companies, but we have to discuss how you can prepare and how you can crack the round. Okay, so D2C recruitables SD roles. Okay, so this all MNC have a common test that is called the D2C recruitable test of campus drive. First is general aptitude test, and the exam date is on 18th September to 19th September, and the MCQ test will test on your general aptitude, logical reasoning, critical thinking, quantitative, etc. Okay, so the India BICS website is very good for quantitative aptitude and all of that. You can see that there is a general aptitude, verbal, current affair, online test like aptitude, verbal, logical reasoning. There are so many tests. You can practice so many questions on this platform and some of the YouTube channels. Okay, so first is the general aptitude test. Okay, this form the base for a good software developer. Take this assessment if you see everything you need to get your dream job. Okay, get set and attempt 25 questions in 30 minutes. So the first round is general aptitude test and general aptitude assessment, and there are 25 questions and you have to solve in 30 minutes. After that there is a test of evolution on computer science fundamental. This assessment will be an MCQ challenge that will test you on computer science fundamental. This form the base of for any software developer. So the guidelines for test is that, but means to computer science they ask the question that is related to some programming aspects also, or some coding questions also, or some coding related questions also. So you have to practice so many questions on that, and for the computer fundamental quiz with the answer. So you can check India BICS website also, and there are so many websites, but the Sand Foundry website is very good for that because there are so many questions, 1000 plus questions on every topic. Like you have to solve C programming, C problems question, and C++ question, Java, Python, data structures, algorithm. There are so many MCQ series that is present in that. After that there is a verbal ability and soft skills. They will be tested on verbal ability and soft skills like the recruiter, that you can rock the world with your confidence in 30 minutes. So you have to prepare for the verbal ability and soft skills. Okay, after that there is a elementary online coding assessment. This assessment will test you on basic logical coding problem. For coding problem there are so many platforms like HackerRank, HackerEarth, LeetCode. You have go to that platform and solve so many questions as you can. Okay, so the DS and algorithm problems on the HackerEarth, HackerRank and LeetCode, on all of the platforms, some of the all the questions are available on that, or all the topics are available that you have to practice so many questions. After that, interview with the dream company. There are the 4 assessment. Okay, so they just mention the deadlines, what are the deadlines, and in which date they conduct the test. Interview with the dream company. Based on your performance in above 4 statement, company will shortlist you for the interview. The timeline and other details will be communicated to the shortlist candidate. One last round and the job is yours. Impress the interviewer and show them that you are right person for that job. Okay, so this is the complete process that is related to that, and you can check again one the general aptitude and logical test, MCQ, MCQ, MCQ. After that, 2 to 3 online coding problem. Okay, so you have to solve so many coding question for that, and based on your assessment you will get a section wise score and ranking on the D2C recruitable leaderboard. This will be valid for 6 months like a scorecard. Okay, so there are so many branches and batches are eligible, but if we want to prepare for the specific company, like if you want to prepare for the Intuit off campus hiring via D2C recruitables, so there is a D2C recruitable assessment, easy pass, and after that Intuit coding test. Okay, a 90 minutes coding test on Glider with 4 coding question. After you complete this test, there is a Intuit coding test, and after that technical interview by Intuit. Okay, they will be hired for the software development engineer role, and 2022 batch is eligible, and the CTC is 28 to 32 LPA. Okay, this is for the 2022 batch. Okay, so stipend is INR 80,000 per month for the 2023 batch. So the pattern is same as follow, like D2C recruitable assessment, after that coding test, after that technical interview. Okay, so they will be provide opportunity on full stack, front end, back end, security, DevOps, mobile. Okay, so stipend is 80,000 per month. Okay, so after that, Tata Class Age also off campus hiring for the Java developer roles, and the package is 8 to 10 LPA, and graduates and 2022 batch is eligible for this opportunity. They just take the D2C recruitable assessment, after that technical interviews by Tata Class Age. So you have very good opportunity to apply for this all the MNCs, like this is Escapes off campus hiring drive for the software development engineer. They also conduct the D2C recruitable assessment, after that technical interview. In this, 2022 batch is eligible, and the number of openings and your score is also. So these are the some website that you can prepare on the daily basis and crack this biggest off campus hiring drive, and you can select in so many MNC. You have to just prepare for that, and you have to crack your dream company. I hope this video is useful for everyone. If you have any doubt, you can drop your query in the comment section. If you find good content, please like and share the video with your friends. Thanks for watching the video.